What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, and happy Thanksgiving to y'all. Y'all had a great Thanksgiving with your friends or family, and I know I did. I ate a little too much, but hey, that's what it's for, right? Anyway, we got a damage report for y'all today, and we're gonna fix the little things that I broke. And so let's get into it. Let me show y'all exactly what we broke. Y'all already know a little bit of what happened, so I'm gonna bring it to you and show you real quick. Bam. This is pretty much what we broke on the Z. What you're seeing right here is like the bottom bracket of the PBM kit that connects to the knuckle, and your tie rod connects to this side right here, and has another, I don't know what you even call this bracket. If anybody knows, leave a comment below, because I don't know what this is. Huge shout out to Tommy and the boys at Part Shop Max, because they hooked me up and sent me over what I needed, so we won't miss the next drift event and we get back on the road. Bam, look at that. And I'm telling y'all, I reached out to them and they got this thing shipped out to me the next day, and it was here probably within a few days, like 5 days. Go ahead and open these up. I'm gonna work on the side that's broken. Well, actually, I should work on the side that's not broken, so I can show y'all the difference in between both of these brackets, to show you what the difference is and where it's more beefed up and why it's better to run this style than the older style, right? Remember, y'all, when I built the Z, they had their version 1.0 super angle kit. So this is from the version 1.0. So there's a lot of things they changed, and I'm slowly upgrading to the new stuff, but we're here now. The cool thing is that I could do this install without lifting the car up or anything, just because of where it's located. I haven't even looked on this side to see if it's damaged, so we're gonna see right now. All right, this is where it's at. Hold on, let me get, all right, back with some light. So this is the bracket, and you can see how the tie rod connects right here. So we just gotta unbolt this one, unbolt the tie rod, and there's another bolt on the other side, if you can see right there. Great, the light just fell. It's on the other side, right there. I think what happened on the other one is it came loose right here, and then it kind of like shook around too much, you know, for doing all those turns and, you know, full lock to full lock. I think it just like broke right here in the center. But yeah, let's remove this now and get to it. You got that off. Here's the old bracket, as you can see. Look at that, that's how it is. This one actually was about to crack too, as you can see right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's a little crack like right there. So this one was gonna be out this door too. So what I might do, I'll probably keep this one and see if my boy Ben can weld this up a little more. You make it a little more beefier, maybe put some brackets in there. Then we can use this one as a spare. So that's like the plan for that one, right? So let's go ahead and open up this one and see what the difference looks like. Put this thing open. Y'all don't shop at Part Shop Max. Y'all stupid. They have the best customer service ever. I mean, they've helped me out numerous times with things that, you know, broke and got things parts to me overnighted and everything. So huge shout out to them. All right, so right off the bat, you can tell, see they put some double bracing, like right here in this area. They put extra bracing. I'm guessing a lot of people noticed that it was breaking or cracking right there, so that's what they did to give it a little extra support. So huge shout out to them, because now we got this new Johnny with new hardware. So thank y'all for that. So let's get this one in the car, and I'll show you what I did on the other side after we put this one back in there, of how I was able to get home initially. Done with one side. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I was messing with it. I was like, wait, I'm putting on this backwards. I got it. You know how to do it. Don't do what I do. I'm not a pro at this stuff. I just mess with stuff and break stuff. Done on the passenger side, we're gonna go to the driver's side. Do that side. But then, man, look at the Z. Woo! So clean. So clean. New color change coming. We'll talk about that later, but let's get on to the side. Let me show y'all how I did this side. You see that full lock on the other side? This is all I got. But the other side, we're wide open, right? Let's see if I can get y'all in here. Put some lights in here. So I don't know if y'all can see this, but this is how I mounted this one. I put it to the factory location. And I adjusted some of my toe on the tie rod to make it straight enough so I can drive home. So we'll just remove it from here and then we'll install the new one on this side. And we'll be back in business, baby. Got all that situated. It's all buttoned up. Probably can't see as dark as it on anything. We all good. I did check some of my toes to make sure it's good when the steering was straight. Oops, so next track a day, I'll do use my toe plates to make sure we're all good, and if not, I'll make some adjustments as we go. Yeah, that's it. Quick, easy, back in business install. No more broken this boy. And we back in business. Huge shout out again to Tommy and the boys at Part Shop Max. Help me out again. I'm always breaking stuff and I'm all hitting y'all up and y'all always saving my life. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much. If you like them, links in the comment section below. Buy something from them, support them. You know, help them out a little bit. The wife is ready to go for a Target run and you know what that means. So I gotta deuces. So thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, peace out, y'all.